Hello and welcome to another update video about VeChain. So VeChain has reached now the golden ratio here in this WXY correction. At least I count it that way as a WXY because the wave W is in 3 waves. Yeah, the first wave of that correction in 3. Then here the wave X to the upside in just a sort of shallow retracement. And then the Y wave down as an A, B, C. Now, that's only one option to count it. I mean, I can also make the call and say, all right, we came down here in something fairly impulsive as an A wave. Then all of this was just a B wave, A, B. You could even, you could even make the call this was a triangle. A, B, C, D, E. That might even be more suitable, to be honest, and it would actually align it quite well with ADA. So I'm gonna watch or take a look at that after the video, to be honest, because that might actually be the one to go with. A, B, so a so-called running triangle where the B wave, the smaller B wave down here, makes a new price extreme into the trend direction. Obviously in a correction the trend is down. Yeah, I'd rather prefer that because WXY always needs to be the second choice. ABC is always the first choice for a correction. That actually fits quite well. Nice B wave triangle that allows me then to more clearly calculate a target here for the C wave. It doesn't change at all the price channel. We still have the price channel. That's fine, with a possible target here at the lower boundary line. But at some point they should now see some buy reactions, otherwise it's going to get critical. I mean, it's not even halfway into the support area, don't get me wrong, but the ideal level for a wave 2 is the golden ratio, and it has reached the area around the previous wave 4. So there is strong support, but doesn't really show a massive buy reaction yet. Then we can watch for this trend channel lower boundary line, yeah? Okay, what else to highlight? Yeah, so target-wise, if we say, okay, maybe we came down in an A wave, this was a B wave triangle, do we get any more wisdom from that? Well, you could be watching for the 1.618 extension at 1.9 cent. That is also still 1.96, that's still in our green support area. Just maybe to keep it on the radar here, to watch that for possible bottom. But yeah, either way, trend still down, still in the corrective price channel. As I said before, until we see a reaction and a break out of the channel to the upside, we have to give primary to the count, which is currently down, or to the trend, which is currently down. But it's time to start to watch for possible reversals and reactions here to the fib levels in the turnaround box. Yeah, so I'm watching for that now across the market, but I did say before that this move up took how long? 1.5 months, right? You don't normally get that corrected in just a week or a couple of weeks. Ideally a little bit longer, yeah. So I'm also still watching for that potential that this could be just an A wave, get a B wave and a C wave, but then the C wave will risk running out of space. So either way, no change to plan at the moment, just an update here. No sign of a reversal yet, but we're at a key decision point here. The way this looks to me at the moment is that this is not going to hold because we haven't seen a sufficient buy reaction, and the move up was only in 3 waves so far, as you clearly see. It's not an impulse. It's just a corrective structure, or at best a diagonal, but then we've come down nearly to the invalidation point. So it might get to one more low here, yeah. But then it's the corrective price channel. You often see in those zigzag patterns, you often see the corrective price channel as a guide for where such a correction could end. Now, looking at the indicators also here on the VeChain chart, we start to see bullish divergences on the 1-hour chart. We start to see, did we see them on the 4-hour? Oh, not yet here on, no, VeChain doesn't show us a bullish divergence on the 4-hour. Other coins do. So here you can see, well, you could say maybe a weak one, because while the price is making lower lows, the indicator is basically just flat. Now that's not a bullish divergence really as per the definition, but still the indicator is holding while the price coming down. but it's coming down quite strongly. So if we now see a little bit of, okay, still lower lows, but the momentum is starting, the negative momentum is decreasing, that should then show us a bullish divergence there as well. We might get a bullish crossover on the MACD 4 hour, but that's also too early to confirm. Here, negative momentum on the daily, though, not yet reducing. So here, this is still pushing further down. So also here, there is still a chance to make lower lows, of course. It still has space on the RSI as well before getting into the oversold territory. So yeah, as I said, it doesn't look like the 61.8 fib is holding, but we are now in a space where we need to be watching for those reversals to start. And if I was to count the C wave, yeah, depends on how we count it, because this is quite choppy. So it could be that we had here a small 1-2 setup. This was a 3. Just need to think. 3, 4, 5, no. 2. I mean, the thing is, this could be an ending diagonal, this structure. So then I could say, okay, we had here a 3-wave structure in 1. Okay, this was a 2. Maybe this was then the 3 as an A, B, C. Then we had here a wave 4, A, B, C. And the wave 5 is an ending diagonal. So that's sort of one interpretation, but there are several. Certainly the strong move down indicates that this was a wave 3, and it could have been the A wave in the third wave. But yeah, that's sort of my view here. Could also get another high and low. I mean, there are different interpretations. If you look at the micro counts, diagonals are always a bit messy. Okay, that's my update about VeChain. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.